Goldiam International, a leading jewelry stock after the COVID crash, has given 1500% return in less than 2 years. So that is just mind blowing. And in this video, I am going to do the complete analysis of Goldiam International, and I will let you know if you can invest in this stock or not, how strong its fundamentals are, and also can you invest right now. Let's go deeper into this stock, and please watch this video till the end. This is going to be very informative. So let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video, I'm going to do the complete analysis of Goldiam International. So this is the fundamentals part of Goldiam International, which we are going to first get into. Okay, so as you can see, it is into the industry of diamond cutting jewelry. Okay, and the market leader here is Titan company. Okay, so we know Titan is a huge company in terms of market cap, and you can see the market cap of this company. The current price of market cap Titan company is 3600, and the current price of Goldiam is 192.85 with a market cap of 2000 crores. Okay, so that clearly tells us that this stock has a lot of room to grow if it continues to perform well. Okay, so this is the market cap. Coming to the reserves, it has 569 crore, which is really good. Okay, in comparison to its market cap of 2000 crore, this is a very good reserve. Debt it has is very negligible. Okay, 3.34 with a debt to equity ratio is 0.01. Okay, then the last 3 years sales growth has been 13.52, which is decent enough. And coming to the operating the profit growth, it has been 22.84, so this is also a good number. Okay, coming to earning per share growth, 23.56, this is also a good number. And then we have 3 years return on asset. Okay, 13.25, return on capital employed 22.47. okay, so all these numbers are looking very good. Okay, no problem here at all. Now coming to interest coverage ratio, it is at 323, which is just mind blowing, very good ratio. Coming to current ratio, 6.46, this is an excellent number, and you can see it is the highest among this entire industry, and in fact this number is also the highest. Okay, the interest coverage ratio. Okay, now coming to one important thing, that is the operating profit margin. We are getting to see that Goldiam International is having an operating profit margin of 18.57, and if you compare it with its peers, it is the highest. Okay, its operating profit margin is even more than very big companies like Titan and also Kalyan Jewelers. Okay, where it stands at 10.60, 7.26. Here Goldiam is at 18.57, so that is fantastic. Now coming to promoter holding, 64.26, this is the promoter holding. This is a very good number. Altman Z score is 8.16, this is also a good number. So far the fundamentals of Goldiam International is looking pretty solid, no problem here at all. Now let's go to see if this company has been growing year or not, and then we'll go to the quarterly result. Okay, so we'll compare the last 3 years from 2021 to trailing 12 months. Okay, so we can see the sales grew from 406 crores to 688 crores, then it dropped to 533 crores in March 2023, and then it has started improving again to 566 crore in the trailing 12 months. Okay, now coming to operating profit, it went up from 78 crores to 130 crores, but then it is at 104 crore and 105 crores for the last 2 years. Okay, and the reason behind that is obviously the drop in sales. Okay, so now you must be thinking that for the past 2 years the company's performance has not been that great. Yes, that is true, but what we have to focus is the turning point that will put you into the smart investor category. Okay, and if you see a stock which has been consistently in uptrend, then you might get a chance to make a fresh entry there, or you might not. But once you are able to spot a turnaround point, then definitely you are looking at a very good level for buying. Okay, that is the condition with Goldiam International, because the basic fundamentals are correct, the ratios are correct, the company is in fact debt free. Okay, so that's why whenever it is giving a chance, we should definitely dig deeper if we should make an entry or not. So we can see in the trailing 12 months, it has gone up from 533 crores to 566 crore, and this one has also increased. And the operating profit margin for the past 2 years has been average 19%. Here just it went up to 20%, but again it is at 19%, which is much more than its previous operating profit margins. You can see 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%, 13%, but here it is at 19% for the past 4 years. And if we compare the earning per share, here we are getting to see something interesting. It went up from 5.50 to 9.65, but again it dropped to 7.75, okay, in the 2023 year, but now it is at 7.87. So steadily it has been growing as per the sales and operating profit, which is a good thing. Okay, that is clearly indicating another side that the operating profit margin has been stable. Okay, that's why it is being reflected here in the earning per share as well. Okay, now let's go to the quarterly results and we'll compare the last 2 quarters, the quarter and quarter results. Okay, so we'll compare September 2022 to September 2023. We don't have the December 2023 result as of now, so we'll compare with September. So we can see an increase in sales from 85 crores to 133 crores. Increase in sales. Operating profit went up from 23 to 27. Okay, this has not been huge. The reason behind that is this. Okay, operating margin went from 27% to 21%. Okay, that has been a major reason. Now comparing June with June. Okay, so here it is at 135, here it is at 120, here it is at 26, here it is at 22. So operating profit margin has been 19 at both places. So we can say in June it was almost same or flat, but in September we are getting to see a sudden spike in sales, okay, in 2023 years. And we are going to, I think we will get a better result in December also. It will go up from this 178 crores to more than that. This is what I expect. Okay, but as of now, whatever information we have, we are getting to see a good turning point. Okay, now coming to the shareholding pattern. So the shareholding pattern, we can see the promoters were holding 66.27% in March 2021, and now they are holding 64.26%. So small decrease of 2%. Now FIIs. So FIIs were holding 0.34% here, but now they are not holding anything. DIIs were not holding anything earlier, and they are still not holding anything. In middle, they took some small stake here, 0.01%, but I don't see any other change in between. Okay, so this is clearly telling that the company is mostly held by the promoters and the public. Okay, so seeing this, you might be thinking that the FIIs and DIIs are not taking any stake. That's why there might not be a good future for the company. But remember that this is, for the present quarter, and in the December quarter, FIIs normally dump their stakes. Okay, not for all companies, but for many companies. Okay, and we never know, in future they might start accumulating. But the only thing that will make us a smart investor is obviously spotting a move ahead before it gets too late, and that we are going to see in the price action. And I will highlight the point why we are focusing on this stock today, because the fundamentals are good, the ratios are good, but the growth in business is not that eye catching. Okay, and also the shareholding pattern is not very promising, but still this could be a good investment. Why is that? You will get to know in the shareholding pattern. And if you are watching the video so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's go to the price action side, and this is Goldiam International. And let me first measure this point and show you. See, from the low point to the high point, this is almost 1477%, that is 1500% in 578 days, less than 2 years. Okay, now what we got to see is that after hitting this spot, okay, rapid rally from here, okay, it started dropping. Okay, and it has been dropping for quite some time now. You can see it is in late 2021 somewhere. Okay, let's measure the exact duration of the drop and the sideways action. So if we take from here, it has been dropping for 730 days. Okay, minus 44%, sorry, minus 44%, 730 days. Okay, so the question is, why is this area important, and why there is a high probability that the company will make a turnaround from here? The reason you will get when you use the fib retracement tool to measure this correction level, okay, of 730 days. So I have drawn this one, and you can clearly see how nicely the stock is holding above the 0.5 level. It never dropped below it. That is the clear indication, the clearest indication that this rally, okay, is a strong rally. Okay, and the consolidation phase is over and the stock is about to start its new phase. Okay, but how good is the momentum? We are going to obviously find that out. And how we are going to find out? Using the momentum indicator. So let me just mark the blue line here, 0.5 line, and remove this fifth retracement so that the chart remains clean. Okay, so this is gone, and now I'll use the momentum indicators, and there you go. So first of all, let us focus on RSI. So we are getting to see in the monthly chart the RSI level came down here, okay, but it never went below 0.5 level. This is very important. That clearly means in monthly time frame also the stock is actually strong, never really went below the 50 level RSI. Okay, and here also it never went below 0.5 level. This is clearly aligning and clearly giving us the point that the company is very, very strong, and very soon it could start its new phase, its new rally, and seems like it has already started. Okay, you can see the breakout above the 60 level here in RSI, and the stock, the RSI level stayed above there. Okay, and you can see this small resistance line also this stock has broken and is above, staying above that. Okay, it is clearly aligning with the RSI level. Okay, and the stock is now starting to head upwards. Okay, this is one point. Now coming to the other one, the MACD indicator. Okay, in the MACD indicator we are also getting to see a crossover here. Okay, and you can see green bars already starting to appear and the stock is starting to go up. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to use the moving averages for the final confirmation, but as of now we have already got multiple confirmation from fib level, from MACD, from RSI, from general price action that the stock has started its new phase of uptrend. But again, let's check the moving average. For that, let me go to the weekly time frame. Okay, and I will use the 40 weeks moving average, and you can see there it is, and also the golden cross has already occurred here. Okay, and now if I use the super trend indicators to highlight the resistance level, I'm pretty sure we are going to get somewhere here or here. Let's see. Okay, here it is. See, this is the point up to which the red line was there. Okay, and in the weekly time frame the stock has broken this line, and you can see it is providing support here also, and the stock is staying above that. So the question is, can you make an entry in this stock right now if you are interested? It's a definite yes. The stock is looking very strong and it is at a perfect turning point. So that's why if you are interested in investing in Goldiam International, you should not miss out this opportunity. You should definitely take a position in this one right now. Okay, the stock is looking fundamentally very strong, and the quarterly results are clearly hinting that the business is about to go well from now on. Okay, so that's why you should not miss out on this opportunity. The price action is also confirming the same thing. So that's why it is at a perfect spot to make a buy. So go ahead and use this opportunity for your wealth creation. So that's all about Goldiam International. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse, and consider joining the Financial Impulse community for additional benefits like more stock analysis and also directly chatting with me, asking your queries on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Don't forget to check the other videos in my playlist. You will definitely find stocks which are still worth investing right now. Bye. Take care.